Hi everyone, this is Krishan and welcome to the theme setup tutorial in HubSpot. So in step by step, I have covered first the child theme setups, second theme settings, and we're going to cover this 3 and 4 topic in this video. How to create a page and publish, next navigation link. So I believe in the header tutorials, I haven't covered the navigation link. So in this video, I'm going to cover this navigation link, how to create a navigation link and attach to your header. So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so let's start with the video. First, I'm going to talk about how to create a page and publish. So in this video, while creating a page, I'm going to discuss about the section and columns so you can leverage the module functionality. So let's get started. So I'm inside the website pages. First, let's create the page. Choose the account. And tutorial page. Let's create this. Select your theme. I've already selected here. If you want to use a different theme, you can select from here. So let's take a blank page. So these are the template which are also which already available inside the Siloh Pro theme if you purchase a Siloh Pro or use a Siloh Pro theme. So here you get the blank page. If you don't want to use the template, the already built-in sections, you go with the blank page. I'm using here a blank page so I can use the different modules here and explain the sections, columns, and the modules a better way. After clicking the create page, you get here in the page editor. Let's go to settings and set the name. Tutorial page. Tutorial page. Add the content slug. And you can add here meta descriptions. Make sure you add the meta descriptions. If you know more about the meta descriptions, go here and read this text. Let's start this. Okay. And now let's publish this. So our page is published. If I go here and click this link, the page is published. This one is your page. Currently there is nothing, and I'll show you step by step how you can create the how you can work with the sections and columns. It's very easy and D&D drag and drop sections. So let's go, and if you don't know, if you forgot to click the link, just go here and click the preview. Open new tab, go back, and this is your live link. Let's cut this because whatever changes you make, it will show instantly in this tutorial. In this link. My bad. So let's add any modules here. Let's add here image. So you can add this one or this one. This is, by the way, the other modules are the default module which you get inside the HubSpot. And if you purchase a theme or you get a theme from the marketplace, you get additional modules, which is this one, theme modules. I'm going to take the simple module, the image module. Let's add the image here. You all. Let's add the image logo. So this one is a section and this one is the column. So if you want to add styling or edit the section, go here and edit this. And there are a bunch of options available here, by the way. This one is the copy sections, and this one delete, and this one save sections. So if you click here as save, you can save the section right here. Whatever you want to just name it, so a description and screenshot. Save that and you'll get the save section inside these sections. This one is the built-in Siloh Pro sections. You get additional section whichever you saved here. Let's go here and add some other modules. Let's add the Guardian. That's at the left side. Okay. So I can drag this module. I click here and drag whichever place I want, left side, right side, top and bottom. By the way, if you drag too much, it will create a new section, just like that. So So this one is a different section, this one is different section, but I want to add in same section. So I'm gonna click the module and drag inside the module. Let's take the image left side and right side. So if you want to edit the section, inside the section you get three options. One is visibility. You can hide or show the sections in the responsive or the desktop. So I've set here a visible show, and in mobile it is show. Great. Next, the alignment and spacing. You can add here the alignment. This one is top, middle, and bottom. If you add multiple modules inside the section, you can set the alignment, then the content alignment, then you can add here full width or the content center. This one is the box. You can add here width, or you can just simply click once again. You get the default width, which you can set from the theme settings. Okay, then the spacing, I'm going to set this for now 0 and 0. Okay, then the background, you can set these multiple options. You can choose gradient, image, or color. Same setting you get inside the column. Let's see if I go here. This one is the column. Visibility, alignment, and background. Let's add the background color. For 100, see, the background is appearing. Let's undo this change. Okay, so now I can increase or decrease the size of the column. First, just go here and hover in between these two modules. You get the different icon, the cursor icon. Just click here and drag left to right. You see the column size is reduced, increase or decrease. So let's say I want to add the 20% image, and the remaining will be the accordion. I'll shrink the left, and I think this is the 20% right now, and this one is the maybe remaining 80%, let's say. So this one is the columns part. You can add color, edit. You can add so many things here. Let's add another module so you can understand better. Let's say advanced pricing. I can add in below the image, or I can add extra column. Let's add here. Right now it's become a 3 columns. This one is right now I've added. It's breaking the design because it takes requires the spacing, particular spacing. So that's why it's breaking. But if you remove this, let's say this one, and I go here and remove the layout, say 1, 1, 1. Okay, so this one is desktop, tab, and mobile. Let's change this, and it will look good. Let's cut this. Perfect. Now it's look good. So the alignment is, now you can see the image is middle of the section. If I want to change the alignment, just go here and alignment spacing. I want to see in this top. Yeah, see. Now the image pushed to the top. So this is how the alignment works inside the section. Yes. So this one is a section and column part. So you can use the different modules inside the sections and add the multiple things over here. Let's say the text. I want to add the rich text for the heading. Some of the modules don't have the heading, so you can add additional rich text here and work as a heading. The image doesn't have headings. Yeah, so you can add here additional rich text or text, and add here, remove the additional text. Heading, heading, change the paragraph from H1. Now it's work as a heading. If add here spacing, looks beautiful. Let's add here the margin, 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. After doing this, now it looks a bit odd, not that beautiful, but if you know how to play with this module, you can create a fantastic websites. It is very easy, just a drag and drop things. So go play with your modules and sections. You understand how things work and where to place your particular modules. Okay, so now let's update this and change, see the changes. Refresh this. Okay, so now it is visible. Yep. And after doing that, please make sure you change the mobile, because look at that, it's not look good. It's look weird because there's no spacing here. If I go here, alignment spacing, there's no spacing here. Let's add the padding here. Padding, sorry. 20 pixel of padding. Update this. Go to page. Edit. Let's go to mobile view. Yeah, now looks a bit good. Okay, so this one is for how to create your page, work with the sections, columns, how these things work. Next, we're going to talk about I believe the navigation, because I haven't covered how to create your navigations and add here. Alrighty, so let's work with the navigation link. So I can create a navigation link from here as well. So let's go to header. Okay, click your header. So inside the advanced header, we get the options, menu sections. Go here and set the, you can set the alignment, it's to your wish. Enable mega menu. So currently it's off right now. That's why it's a normal menu. So we're gonna work with the normal menu right now. So let's remove this menu. I will edit the menu or create new. So I want to create a new module. Sorry, new navigation link. I can click right here and add the name, or I can go here. So this one is the one method. You can edit this built-in menu links, or you can create a new menu links. Else you can go here and back to page editor. Let's go to settings. This is the one method, and this one is another method. Go to the settings, then tools. Inside the content, you get the domain navigation menus. So click here. Here you get the navigation menu, so you can create from here. So click here, add menu. Right here, module. So tutorial menu. Great. So menu is ready. Now I can add here menus. Let's add here the go to actions. You can add here child item below, clone item, replace with item without link, page link URL parameters, and URL link. So you can work with this without link, because here you can see here it's not a link, by the way. It's just a link that show the nested links. So in this particular thing, you add here the item without link. Add here home or whatever you want, and add another link with page link, or you can just add the URL here. Add URL link. I'm gonna add the page link. So the content, let's say about Siloh Pro about version 3. Perfect. And this one is separate. I want to add nested menu of a home. So let's click here and drag to the here. So now it becomes the nested menu of this. Let's duplicate this. Click here, clone item, and add here the about. I'm gonna change this to contact. Siloh contact. So let's save this, and let's search this tutorial menu. So if you add menu from here, make sure you refresh the page. So link will appear inside the module. Let's go here and click menu section, add option. Okay, let's remove this and add here tutorial RIL. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Yeah, tutorial menu. So you can add here enable or disable the mobile menus. Let's apply this. Okay, so as you can see here, the menu is added. You can add more links over here, multiple links. This one is the child links. Let's publish this. Publish. Okay, so it is added. Let's update this and refresh the page. Let's see if it's working. Okay, so now it's working. So if you want to add more links, go here and add menu links from here. It will save automatically, or you just save by manual here. Then go to the page, refresh it and see the changes. So that is pretty much it. The page, how to create the pages and the navigation link. And next I'm going to talk about the blogs, how you can create the blogs from the HubSpot account and fetch or display to your websites. Yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.